Hello students, so now we are back with part 2 of your chapter, that is chapter number 6, DRC, Greenland, the land of ice and snow. Okay, so now in this chapter we have discussed about its climate, its vegetation and wildlife. And in this class we are going to discuss about the people who live there and the agriculture and industry available there. First of all, look at this picture. We are going to discuss about these people. Now, the people. The Inuit or the Eskimos were the original inhabitants of Greenland. Who are the inhabitants of Greenland? They are known as Inuit or the Eskimos. Eskimos का मतलब ये होता है those people who lives in igloo. जो igloo में रहते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं? Eskimos. They are mainly hunters and live by fishing and hunting animals found in the region. So these people are generally hunters and they live by and they survive, means they do fishing, they hunt animals which are found in this region. The skin and fur of the animals are used to make clothes, and they wear the clothes of skin and fur of animals, and they make cloth out of it, and then they wear that cloth because that type of cloth, that type of skin is so hot, and it keeps them warm. The fat is used as fuel, and the animal fat is also used as fuel. Earlier they used bows and harpoons to hunt, but now they use guns. In earlier times they used to use bows and harpoons to hunt. Hunt करने के लिए bows and harpoons को use करते थे, but now at this time they use guns. Okay? They used boats called kayaks for fishing in the sea. In earlier times they also used boats known as kayaks for fishing in the sea. एक बोट होती है जिसका नाम होता है कायक, उस बोट को वो लोग यूज करते हैं फॉर द फिशिंग पर्पस. Now, while roaming around, the Inuit used to live in the temporary houses made of blocks of ice. Okay, when these people roam from one place to another, they used to live in a temporary house. मतलब permanent house नहीं होता, उनका temporary house होता है. और वो किससे बनता है? It is made up of blocks of ice. Ice cube से बनता है, means ice के block से बनता है. We call these houses igloos. और इन houses को क्या बोलते हैं? Igloos. आपने picture already आपने junior classes में देख रखी है. What is igloo? However, to the Inuit, igloo meant a house made of ice or wood or bricks. Inuit लोगों के लिए igloo का मतलब ये होता है या तो वो घर जो किससे बना हुआ होता है, ice, या फिर wood या फिर bricks. In summer, the Inuit moved into leather tents. और summer में these people, Inuit people moves into leather tents. Leather के tents में वो लोग shift हो जाते हैं. Look at this picture. I think you all know what is this. This is igloo. Now, next topic is traditional dress. What do the people wear? The people wear clothes made of animals, skin and fur. और वहाँ के लोग क्या पहनते हैं? They wear the clothes made from animals, skin and fur. Men, women and children wear jackets with hoods lined with fur called parkas. Okay, what do men, women wear? They wear a jacket with hoods lined with fur called parkas. Long boots made of seal skin to keep their feet warm in the snow. And they wear long boots which is made up of skin of seal. Seal की skin से बना हुआ रहता है boot, और वो लोग पहनते हैं so that they can have the warmth in the feet. Look at the traditional dress, traditional attire of these people. They are wearing a jacket made of animal skin. Next is population. Now, what is the population of this place? Today, Greenland has a mixed population, mostly of Inuit and Europeans. अब आज के टाइम पे ग्रीनलैंड में पहले सिर्फ कौन थे? इन्यूट थे, पर अब मिक्स्ड पॉपुलेशन, मींस देयर आर मोस्टली इन्यूट एज वेल एज यूरोपियंस. The total population is only about 56,000. That is less than population of even a small town in India. और इस जगह की population बहुत कम है, कितनी है 56,000, जो कि हमारे इंडिया के एक स्मॉल टाउन से भी बहुत कम है. Almost the entire population lives on in the southwestern coast, and almost all the entire population lives on which area? In the southwestern coast. Next topic is agriculture and industry. Fish processing is the major industry in Greenland. अब इस एरिया में आपको पता है कि यहाँ पे मेजर कोई क्रॉप्स ग्रो नहीं कर पाते हैं. So what is the main agriculture? Main industry is fish processing, means fishing is the main industry, main agriculture for the people of Greenland. Ships are raised in small numbers in the southwestern coast, and there are ships. A very small part of land in the southwest is suitable for agriculture, and some vegetables such as potatoes are grown. And there is a very small part of land which is suitable for agriculture, and only few of the crops are grown, few of the vegetables are grown such as potatoes. Okay, सिर्फ ये सब चीजें ही वहाँ पर एग्रीकल्चर के लिए available है, means for potatoes and similar vegetables. So that's all for this chapter. I think all of you has understood this chapter very clearly. Thank you.